drive activated.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Even though Christmas is past and was 5 days ago, we're in the beautiful scenic countryside of the COTEAUX, Quebec, in the comforts of a Toyota Tercel wagon, and not as comfortable as a Delta 8879, but it's still
I don't care, they're both my
like
cars.
Christmas. A little ravine here.
Avertissement de dalle de neige, d'allô de neige.
What, the neige?
Des dallots de neige.
What the fuck is that? Never heard of that in my life.
C'est comme des strates de neige. It's like lines.
Sorry for the shaking road, folks, but this secondary road is pretty shite. Shite?
C'est à cause de la neige.
It's not because of the snow, it's just shite.
C'est because we're
in Quebec, see. Demain l'hiver, je m'en fous, je m'en vais au soleil. That's probably the first time some of you guys ever heard me sing in French. Hashtag Québécois, call this.
I'm on the wrong side of the road.
What? What do you mean? It doesn't matter. There's nothing coming.
Oh, look, trains.
Where? What train? Where? Oh yeah.
Ben, des trains là, ils sont juste assis là, ouais, ils font pas grand chose. Okay, so this is absolutely great.
Oh, what does that say on the side? Oh, alloué. For rent.
Commercial et industriel. Demain l'hiver, je m'en fous, je m'en vais.
Yeah, I got a feeling this fucking road goes right back to the 20.
Yeah. C'est vraiment de l'improvisation à ce stade-ci de conduire.
Yeah, CP. How about that? Oh. Didn't even know CP had a yard here. How cool is that? Hmm. Oh yeah, that's the same line as the AMT, I guess. Railroad crossing here. Hey look, railroad crossing here. Railroad crossing there. Ding 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 ding. Nothing. Nothing. You know, Simon, I just had an idea. If ever I'm rich, you know what I'm gonna buy you? I am gonna buy you a fucking Citroën DS.
Why would you buy me a fucking Citroën DS?
Or as they call them in the States, a Citroën. Why? Because it's the most popular Citroën ever made. And like this car, it's weird and you have peculiar tastes. What do you mean, why? What are you talking about? You're weird. The car is weird. It's a match made in heaven. Supposedly the seats are amazing. The ride is amazing. What do you mean, why?
Yeah.
It's beautiful styling.
Is it good in the snow?
It's a Citroën DS. You're gonna drive that in the fucking snow. Hello, the car was made in the fucking 50s to early 70s, bro. Oh god, I might have to edit this part out. Hey, look, that house is the same color as my new coat. How about that?
You're not gonna edit fuck all.
Do you even know what a Citroën DS is?
Yeah. That's the French thingy and it looks weird.
French thingy.
Oh, c'est la 20.
I told you.
Ben là, je veux pas aller là, Coronis.
Ouais, mais pas le choix, c'est à ce point-là. This fucking road is horrible anyway.
C'est à cause des lames de neige. Des lames de neige, that's the word. Lame de neige.
I thought a lamb was a blade.
Yeah. Snow blades. Never heard of
that? Hey, look. Bunch of trailers.
Brockville, Ontario.
What do you mean Brockville? Brockville's far.
Via goes there. Toronto.
To Toronto!
Tomorrow's before?
Well, I gotta take a piss, so anywhere I can take a piss. Hey, look, there's an old Chevrolet.
Still working.
Yeah, those things don't die easy. Subway.
Good trucks.
I don't know, I got a bad feeling we're not gonna see many trains today, bro.
Auto-école, esti.
Wow, great day to learn how to drive.
What a time.
Yeah, seriously.
Auto-école.
Oh, what a scam. Oh, there's a Tercel.
Well, it's a good idea. I mean, if you want to learn to look at snow, it's a good idea. But
Sorry, folks, but for the Shagmore, we really are on a dirt road here. Right here in eastern Ontario, near the Quebec border. Look at this, it's getting close to a whiteout condition. I thought I should film it, it's so beautiful.
beau bel arbre. Tu vois, avoir une propriété là-dedans ici, la maison qu'il y a là, lui là, il est bien en tabou. Check ça, sti.
Yeah.
Beautiful house.
Beautiful view out the window.
Hey, look at that. Check le terrain. Check ça. That's all his. An old tractor from the 40s there. Chairs, you know. Hey, il pourrait avoir 15 000 vieux chars. No problem.
15 000.
Well, you know, a bunch of them. One of the high beams for safety. That's a road. No, that's not a road.
Damn it, Simon, you got that song in my head now. What I do, c'est le temps des vacances. C'est le temps des vacances. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's true. I keep forgetting you have the bins with you. You don't have to worry about going to gas up.
Anyways, if I get out of gas here, it doesn't matter. Pas comme si j'allais. Comme si j'allais bloquer le monde.
I think we might have drove down here once at night.
Yeah. Yeah, well, last week.
No.
Yeah. Yes. Last week.
Oh yeah, there's a crossing there.
It's a great place to film trains.
Yeah.
You can see them from far.
But again, like I said, I don't think there's going to be many trains today, bro.
Let's just stop.
All right.